In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite by email Zoom. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along and send polished Zoom invites in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device and sign in. If you haven't opened it in a while, it's a good idea to check for updates so the scheduling options look the same as what you're seeing here. Once you're in, go to the scheduling area. On desktop, that's the schedule button near the top. On mobile, look for schedule along the bottom. This is where you'll enter all the meeting details. Give your meeting a clear topic so recipients recognize it instantly. Set the date, start time, duration, and the correct time zone, especially if people are in different regions. If this will happen regularly, set it as a recurring meeting so you don't have to rebuild it each time. For security, keep the passcode turned on and consider enabling the waiting room. Choose whether the host and participants join with video on or off, and pick your audio option. You can also add a brief description to give invitees context, like the agenda or any materials they should prepare. Before you save, double-check the time zone and the start time. When everything looks good, click Save or Done. Now let's get the email invitation. Right after saving, Zoom typically presents you with options to generate an invitation and, in many cases, opens a pre-formatted